welcome to Audrey's channel. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're going to do a magic trick. After we do the magic trick, we're going to open one of these chocolate bars. If you guys don't guess it, it's not going to open.
Crusty chocolate bar from Grossery gangs. What magic trick you are going to do?
You guess. We got 3 chocolate bars here, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to hide one grocery game inside the box, each of the boxes, and then you have to guess which one has it. Ah, it's not opening. Ah! Ah! This one doesn't open. Yeah, that one opened. What about we put 2? Got this one, and this one. Okay, we got 3 of them, and then I don't think you guys hear it. Only a little bit. This one has something on it. What about I put something with 2 in it? Something with 3? Yeah, wait, let me fill the entire thing up first. You can see the 3 chocolate bars, right? Oh, sorry, you cannot put it there. It's one of the caramel boxes. It's one of the white boxes. Let's put them all in there first. I'm gonna put the grocery games. So this one's too big. I can fit one more. These are all the grocery games we have. Let me close it. It's way too full. It won't close. It's not gonna close. It's rather this one or this one. Comment down below, left or right.
Right.
Because it has.
This is right. This is left, right, right, and left.
Left, right. I don't know how to say left or right, but if you guess right, it's right.
Wow, you got all the grocery.
I got all of them in there. That's why I didn't make any sound. But this could not close. So let's open one.
You don't need a scissor?
No. It's another one of these bars. It's light.
Crusty chocolate bar with bugs on it.
Yeah. Technically, those are real bugs. Back in the video, doing stuff. Not doing magic tricks anymore. Okay, it got on my lap. It's still here. It's super small. I think it's some bottle. Ew. Soda. Ew. Look at this.
Yeah, you look bad. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
Okay, we got it.
It's called Flat Vizzy. It's a soda.
Flat Vizzy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna peel off.
Just like an original one, fuzzy tea.
I'm gonna peel off the extra plastic that's on it. Just kidding. I actually got some of it. I could cut it. If I wanted to make my DIY own one, I just cut it. Popcorn!
I love popcorn, but not this one.
I'm gonna eat it. I got this popcorn and I'm gonna turn my head here.
Where's your popcorn?
I just ate it. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye!